Right, so let's do some facial massage for uplifting. Now, I am going to use again some trusted rosehip oil here, and I'm just going to apply just a little bit on the fingers first and gently onto the neck, side of the neck, down to the collarbone, and then also on the facial area. So what we're going to do is we're going to take our fingers from the collarbone and we're just very gently lifting up using an alternated sort of fashion with our fingers. And then just lifting up on the neck, all the way along. This really does help with blood flow and circulation to the area. And again, you may find you may go slightly red. That's fine, it's just blood flow coming to the neck. Now, you don't want to be too heavy-handed on this. It's a really light, feather-like, almost flick, if you like, with your fingers. This will also help elastin and collagen. And whatever products you've applied, be it rosehip oil or a facial oil, it's actually going to penetrate in even better by doing this. Now let's work on to the jaw area now. And then with the fingers, I like to place one hand as an anchor, and then you can just sort of flick upwards. I quite like this little massage. It's a little bit different to the usual. We're lifting everything up. And then onto the chin. Again, just flicking. And the jawline. Place those fingers as an anchor, and if you like, you can just lift up with your fingers. And then again, with the hands, flicking up. I love doing this. It actually feels really good. This is actually quite a good one for the morning, actually, because it kind of wakes up the skin. So when it comes to the area around here, you don't want to be flicking up too much into the eye. You can go a little bit, quite gently, by the cheekbone area. You may just want to hold on and have more control by placing one hand as an anchor and just lifting up. And then with the ring finger, you can just lift up here. Just massaging where it's more controlled. And then again, very lightly and delicately above the chin, above the cheek. And then again, you can place, if you like, a finger and just very gently massage in an upwards motion, or use the fingers. Or if you find it easier the other way, obviously everyone's different. And then starts to flick up between the third eye towards the hairline. And then just move across slightly from the there. And if you like, you can just place the hand and anchor where those crow's feet are. And then on the other side. Again, you don't want to be heavy-handed, nice and light. And then just glide along. Lymphatic drainage. Lymph's close to the surface of the skin again, so nice and light all the way down. Just very gently all across the face, light, delicate touch, moving everything to the side, and then fingers above, sort of in front and behind the ear, gliding down the side of the neck, down to the collarbone, forwards, and then just a few gentle presses just to release all the toxins and waste removed within this facial massage into the body, ready for elimination.